Earn money by simply reading emails. You can make $2 for every email you read, and by reading 10 emails, you might even earn over $20. People from various countries like Russia, Canada, Pakistan, South Africa, Brazil, and Kenya are cashing out more than $2, $6, and $10 every minute just by opening and reading emails on this platform. You could earn 80 cents or even more than $2 for each email you read. It's as simple as opening the email, reading it, and clicking the Confirm this paid email button to get paid. Start making money by reading emails from anywhere in the world. To get started, give this video a thumbs up and let's explore the website where you can earn money by simply reading emails. I'll disclose its name shortly. As you can see, earning through email reading is possible. Here are the 3 easy steps to start earning. First, sign up for a free account. Second, open the emails and read them. I'll demonstrate with a real-life example. Third, receive real money payouts daily, which you can withdraw to PayPal or choose from various gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, and more available on the platform. First and foremost, you can use a Gmail account for this purpose. However, if you don't have one, you can easily create a free Yahoo or Gmail account and use it to receive emails. The website we're discussing is called paytoreademail.com. It's accessible worldwide, allowing you to earn money from any corner of the globe. As you can see, you can earn money by reading paid emails online. Daily, you'll find paid emails in your inbox, and each time you confirm reading them, you get paid. The exciting part is, upon joining and activating your account on paytoreademail.com, you'll receive a $3 sign-up bonus. So just come to the top of this website where you can register yourself for completely free. Pay close attention to the registration process, which involves a few steps. First, select your gender, then provide your first name, email ID, and create a strong password. Retype the password and click the sign up button. Next, on the following page, enter your last name, zip code, or postal code, agree to the terms and conditions, confirm you're not a robot, and click Sign Me Up button. You'll then be logged into your account, and your dashboard will resemble this. You can verify that the $3 sign-up bonus has been credited to your account by checking your account stats on the right-hand side. One of the best features of this website is its compatibility with both smartphones and computers or laptops. Scrolling down a bit, you'll discover various ways to earn free cash on paytoreademail.com. For instance, you can complete cash surveys and earn anywhere from 50 cents to $1 per survey completed. Alternatively, you can engage in cash offers to earn extra cash for free. However, since our focus today is on making money by reading emails online, simply select the paid email option and click on the Earn More Reading Emails button. This action will take you to a page where you can view all the paid emails you've received in your Gmail or Yahoo Mail account. Since this is a new account, the inbox is currently empty. After waiting a few hours, the email from paytoreademail.com arrived directly into my Gmail account. This is how your paid emails will appear. Simply click on Confirm this paid email, and it will redirect you to a random website like this one. Your task is to remain on the website for at least 30 seconds. During this time, browse around to demonstrate to the website that you're a human and not a bot. You can scroll through the website, hover your mouse around, and once the 30 seconds are up, you can close the website. On Pay-to-Read-Email, 100 points equal $1. As you can see, I've received 80 points in my account, meaning I've earned 80 cents for reading that email. Let's wait for another paid email. As you can see, I received the second paid email within 2 hours of the first one. Once again, simply click on Confirm this paid email, and it will redirect you to a random website like this. Stay on the website for 30 seconds, scrolling up and down and hovering your mouse around. After 30 seconds, you can close the website. As you can see, I've been credited with an additional 80 points for opening and reading that email, which means I've received 80 cents more in my account on this website. You can perform this task on both your phone and your computer device. For future videos, please comment below and let me know which device you use the most, a mobile device or a computer, laptop, so I can create more related content for you. The great thing is, you only need a minimum of $15 in your account to request a withdrawal from this website, and out of that $15, you've already received $3 as a sign-up bonus. To reach your first withdrawal, You just need to earn $12 more by reading emails. Once you've reached that threshold, simply click on My Account and select the Redeem Points option. This will take you to a page where you can view your balance at the top and choose your preferred payment method. You'll receive your payment within 3 business days, regardless of the method you choose. Scroll down to see the various payment methods available, including paying 50 points on the website for guaranteed paid emails daily, or withdrawing your earnings to your PayPal account, or as an Amazon gift card, Google Play gift card, and many other e-gift card options available. If you want me to show my withdrawal proof from this website, then help me get over 4,000 likes on this video, and I will create a payment proof video for you all. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.